Hey guys, I'm going to go over how to get started with our new project. We are going to be creating an All About Me Google Slides presentation. Google Slides is the app within the Google Drive system that allows you to create presentations and share them with others. So first thing you're going to do is go to the 9 boxes and go to your Drive. Once this loads up, you're going to click on New, just like we did when we created a Google document. This time, instead of Google Docs, which is where we created our missing poster, you're going to click Google Slides. So Google Slides is a presentation software. First thing you're going to have to do is pick a theme. These are like the backgrounds and the color schemes and everything. You want to make it visually interesting and easy to read because you're going to be presenting this to other people, most likely. So the themes that pop up are over here on the side. You can really pick whichever one you like. You can also click Import Theme down here and get some extra ones that Google has. I'm going to keep it simple and just do this one. You can also change your theme later on using this button that's right here. All right, so next thing you're going to do, you close out of that. Click here, name it All About Me, first name, last name. Oof. All right, and then go ahead and share it with me. Once you've done that, type in my name, Andrea Zeider, and send. You can also share it with anyone else in the class that you would like to share it with. That's fine. Your title is All About Me. Your subtitle is your first name and your last name. So these text boxes are already set up for you because this is your title page or your title slide. You need to have an additional 5 slides after this slide to be in compliance with the expectations for this presentation. To add a new slide, you click right here. You can change the layout of your slide. So this is our title in 2 columns, title only. I'm going to go for title only. So each slide after your title slide should be something interesting about yourself. So I'm just going to start with this. All right, so this is about me. I am 30 years old. My birthday is September 10th, 1985. Again, I've created a text box here. If I wanted to insert an image into this space down here, to get it from the internet, I could do a couple different things. We can insert it the same way we inserted images into our missing poster. You can also go here, insert image, and you can search for something. I'm not going to put this in here, but I'll just search for volleyball. Actually, here, I'll search for birthday cake. All right. So I'm going to put a picture of this birthday cake in here. We'll say, I don't know, this one. I like this one. Before you click select, copy the image address so that we can get that citation in there. And then it will just put it in here. I'm going to resize it so it's not gigantic. If your text box in Google Slides overlaps with your words, it's going to cover up your words. I'm sorry, if your picture overlaps with your text box, so you can see here's my text box. This is where all the text is around here. And this is my image. If they overlap, one will cover up the other. All you have to do is resize them so that they are not touching each other. So you can see this box, this blue box, and this box are not touching each other. You are going to have to insert a snapshot of yourself into this presentation somewhere. To do that, we go back to Insert Image. This time, you are going to take a snapshot. Make sure you allow here and allow here. Okay, so we'll close this. Take a snapshot, get ready. There we go. And you select. You can take as many as you want. All right, and again, I'm going to resize it from the corner so it doesn't get warped. You have to have a snapshot in this presentation somewhere in order to meet the expectations. Let's see here. Excuse me. All right. You are going to have to animate your presentation. There are a couple different things. So an animation is when the stuff within the slide come in or leave the slide when you're presenting from different angles. Let's see here. So to do that, you're going to click on what you want to animate. So I'm going to animate this picture of the birthday cake. Insert, animation, and then there's a bunch of different ones here that you can choose from. So I really like zoom in. So you can see that when I'm presenting this and I click, the picture will zoom in like that from the back. You can also insert transitions, which is right here. And this can apply to all the slides. This is how the slides look when they change. So we're going to pick cube, we're going to pick apply to all slides, and this is what it looks like when we change slides. Okay? And you'll see more of that later. Let's see here. If you want to insert a text box, so let's say you have your title so for this slide, and I want to make text down here. It's this T right here with the box around it. And you can just click and drag, and it creates a text box. And then you can change the color, just like we do in Google Docs up here, of everything within this text box. So I can type my favorite color is yellow. I'll make that a little bit bigger. Okay. In a minute, I will do another video that actually presents my All About Me presentation, so you can see an example of a final project. But for now, go ahead and get started with your All About Me presentation.